Hey guys, this is Vino. You are watching Vino Schooling. Already we learned how to create table and how to insert values in a created table. Now we are going to discuss how to retrieve data from a table by using select command. Let's start. So to fetch all columns from a table, we have to follow this syntax. Select is a command. Here we are using asterisks. It means all, then from class, then we have to give table name. This is a syntax. Let's discuss with example. So here we create a table name is pet. The pet table is having 5 columns. Then we inserted some data by using insert command. Then you can see here select star from table name is pet. If we are giving this query, we will get a whole table's data. Next, to retrieve selective columns, we are having 5 columns are there in a pet table. If you want to display only pet name and owner name, so you can use this way, right? So to retrieve a selective columns, which columns we selected here? So the selected columns are pet name and owner name, right? So the syntax is for to retrieve selective columns. Select, after select we have to give column names, then from, then table name. So to retrieve a selective columns, this is a syntax. Let's discuss with example. We are planning to retrieve only pet name and owner name column, right? So after select command, pet pet name, then owner name. So the selected column names were given. Then we have to give from class. Finally, we have to give table name. What is table name? PET. What is it? OWNER. So you can see which columns we given next to select command. That particular columns data is only displayed here. First we learn to fetch all the datas, right? Then next we learn to fetch a selected columns datas. So next we are going to discuss distinct keyword. So where we are going to use a distinct keyword. So here you can see the duplicate entries. So if you don't want these duplicate entries, if you want to eliminate the duplicate entries, we have to use a distinct keyword in front of column name. Now we are going to discuss the syntax for using a distinct keyword. First we will use select, then we have to use a distinct keyword in front of column name, then from, then table name, right? So we'll discuss with example. So now select, after select we have to use distinct keyword, then we have to select column name. Pet name is my selected column, pet name is my selected column. Then we have to use from class, then table name is pet. Here you can see a duplicate values are eliminated. So the distinct keyword eliminates the duplicate rows. So if you want to see full table without duplicate values, so instead of using specific column name, you can use star, right? So if you are using specific column name, only the particular column data will be displayed without duplicate values. If you are using a select distinct star from pet name, the all data will be selected without retrieving duplicate values. It is the purpose of using distinct. There is a counterpart for a distinct keyword is all. Instead of using distinct, if you are using all keyword, okay, you will get all the data with duplicate values. See here, instead of using distinct, I'm going to use all keyword in front of selected column name. You can see that including duplicate values, it is retrieved. If you are using distinct keyword, the duplicate values will be eliminated. So here there is an important point. We cannot use both distinct and all keyword in a same select command. So here all keyword I am using for pet name, comma, DISTINCT, distinct. I'm using distinct for OWNER, owner name. Actually, it will not accept. It will give you error because as per rule, we cannot use all keyword and distinct keyword in a single query, right? It is giving error. So this is an important point. For simple calculations, we can use select command. SELECT, select 1 plus 1. You can do a simple calculations by using select command. Next, aliasing a column in a select statement. So now we are going to discuss a concept called aliasing column in a select statement. So for that, we are going to use select command. Then we are going to give column name. Then we are going to give as keyword we are going to use here. Then we are going to give temporary name, that is called alias name. Then from, then table name. We'll discuss with example. So why we have to use it, what is the purpose of using aliasing a column. Select pet name from table name pet. So here you can see that the column name is pet name. Only for display purpose, if you want to change the column name, we can use this concept aliasing a column, right? So only for a display purpose, only in output we are going to change the column name by using aliasing concept, right? So for that we are going to take select pet name, column name. Next to column name we have to use as keyword. Then we have to give display name. Only for display purpose we are using it. We are not going to change the column name. For the display purpose we are using this concept, right? Animals. Temporarily I'm going to change the column name only to display. So you can see that the column's original name is pet name, but after using as keyword we have given animals, right? This is a temporary name for a selected column. So only for output purpose we are changing the column name.